TomTV is an exciting opportunity for local businesses to effectively brand themselves in the community where they do business. We first find really busy locations in the community. We then install flat screen TVs, and then we sell ad space on those TVs to local businesses who want to reach that captive audience. Distributors are able to purchase a package from us that gives them all the tools, training, and materials that they need to be successful in this digital signage industry. TomTV Corporate then will produce all of the graphic design, all of the artwork. We'll update the screen regularly so that people who are watching these TVs are always entertained by the new content. If you're interested in becoming a TomTV distributor, call us today and we'll schedule a live one-on-one webinar to go through the details of the business and how you can get started immediately.